Ta-da!
What are we doing?
I don't know. What are we doing?
Tempest?
We can do it.
You gonna go for it?
That was pretty easy over there.
Yeah, but there's no drop for you to do.
He wants the whole group to be here.
There's the sun over there. Look. Sun over there?
Yeah. There's no drop over there. Remember that drop you promised?
I'm trying to man up, dude.
That was basically like a short-term solution to a long-term.
Alright, whatever it is we're doing, let's do it. Is this camera angled right? We're good, right?
I guess so.
Alright. Pay attention! I don't know, whatever, dude.
Follow Tony, even though he's going the wrong way. What do you want to do?
Yeah, go this way.
No, this is Tempest. Fuck. 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 What does this red cable do?
Here we go.
Alright.
Yeah, Paul, you come. I would have had it. Look it. I would have had it. I would have had it. Unbelievable. Twice.
I like how you were over there.
Yeah, it's not the easy way over here.
Need a bigger cassette. Out of breath. That wasn't even fun, dude. He's going for it. Oh, fuck. Damn, Tony. Ah. Ah.
That's your rough drive. I hate you.
I had it. Now I know how you feel.
Huh?
I know how you feel when somebody blocks it.
Here we are again. You don't have to shoot out that far. You literally have to just land right here. Here, when you go off this, you can be like, that was fucking pussy.
Oh, I already know it's pussy.
No, I mean about yourself.
Oh, well, that I already know, too. My fucking girl calls me that all the time. I want to go off the lower side so bad.
What lower side?
The lower side that throws you into the tree.
Wait, what?
I psych myself out when I turn into it. Right there.
Like, all you have to do is land your back tire right here. This is no bigger than the middle one down below.
Yeah.
It's just there's no wood.
I need wood.
I mean, landing's pretty much the same as the one down there. I got it right in my eye.
Don't stand in that area.
I can't see out of my left eye.
That is coming right through here. Now Jerry's sitting there judging us.
Right there, right? Boom. Right there. See, I want to land right there.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. 40 minutes of just looking at shit that I fucking sketched myself out on. Take a run up to it. See how it feels. I don't think I'm going to do it.
Don't keep looking at it.
No, I'm not.
You promised.
You got the wrong Tony. Patting all that shit up over
You
there.
could practically roll this.
Yeah, I know.
Try rolling.
Fuck, man. Oh, this is what it is, this rock. Hate this place.
I changed my promise, so I promise not to do it.
Yeah, I mean, let's not keep looking at it. We can keep moving. There's still Highland for some retribution. So much easier that way. I'm gonna wheelie drop it, Tony.
Okay.
I'm gonna try that. I'm not gonna try to launch off of it. Maybe even nosedive it. Gotta say, I'm definitely nervous.
Look at the Andy.
Get this shit over with.
Fucking piece of cake.
Hit it.
No different than the bigger one down below.
That's what that lady says.
Huh? Tony, you doing it too? You going for it?
Well, you can scrub it, like if you don't feel it. I feel it before the rock. So, I mean, if you feel that, it's all good. There's still a lot more rides. It's like 2-3 more runs.
Want me to go first?
Yeah, of course. Ah! Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, man. I don't know. I will hit it. I will hit it. I will hit it. I will hit it. Let's just finish this run.
It means you're gonna come back and get yourself psyched out.
Nah, let's finish this run. I'm gonna even do the rock garden too. I didn't do that. I've been walking it. Hey, you wanna walk all the way to the beginning? What? We're gonna finish this. Bitch. You're right there, dude. Right there. The rock drop I did over there is bigger than that. It's actually sketchier than that because I drop onto other rocks.
Yeah, this has got a nice wide run out. No rocks. You're not going
Fuck!
any rocks. That's how far you drop. That's where you gotta land. A foot, 3 feet.
That was a fart joke. Fucking A, man. Fuck it, let's keep going. This bullshit.
Wanna keep going?
Yeah, let's keep going. We're definitely not done with this trail.